Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Malibu. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.